The election is over, but some families are still divided over the results, creating post-election anxiety for Thanksgiving dinner. National News Desk's Angela Brown joins us right now. And Angela, some folks feeling a little nervous.
Yeah, apparently so. Some people, I know.
Some people.
That's not going to stop me from eating, right?
I know, right? I'm like, I don't care. I'm still going to eat.
That's what they say, exactly. Yeah. Some people, Jan, may still be amped up weeks after the election. A new survey says 64% of Americans said election-related stress is impacting their holiday plans. A Fox News host going viral after saying this right here.
Yep, people are taking some space in the Waters household. I'll have you know that I was not invited to my mother's house for Thanksgiving.
Okay, from not inviting people, Jan's making me laugh over here, to not showing up, a new survey from Spruce found that 23% are considering skipping Thanksgiving, and it's getting under some people's skin. Dr. Calhoun from Yale University going viral for saying this. Your family's not entitled to your time on MSNBC.
If you are going to a situation where you have family members, where you have close friends who you know have voted in ways that are against you, like what you said, against your livelihood, and it's completely fine to not be around those people and to tell them why.
Well, but most Americans do plan on showing up, with nearly half of Americans in one survey just saying they want politics to be banned altogether for their guests and also family members. Dr. Lee Richardson from the Brain Performance Center says just set boundaries and go to dinner.
So what do you do during this upcoming holiday season when you may be sitting next to a relative who did vote differently than you did?
Well, I think, that people need to be able to say, I would prefer not to talk about that. Mm-hmm. And or say, it's a sensitive subject, and I think we should respect that, or just change the subject.
Listen, as Jan and I were talking, we're going to dinner regardless of what happens, but politics isn't the only problem on the menu for some of these people who are anxious. A new report from Travel and Tour World found that also people are worried about travel. We talk about this every year. 8 in 10 travelers say they're worried about flight problems.
Yeah.
You have politics, you have flights, you have a lot
There's
of
all kinds of stuff going on.
Right.
I get it, though. I can see this. I can see, especially if you have somebody who likes to debate in your family.
That is true, but it's still good to be together.
That's true.
You're right, though. You're right, especially when people like to debate. You're right about that.